Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a delicious strawberry banana milkshake. And here are the prepared ingredients: a bowl of fresh strawberry, 2 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1½ piece of banana, a cup of fresh milk, and honey. Let's get started. In our blender, let's combine all our prepared ingredients. Let's put our strawberry, banana, our fresh milk, powdered milk, and put 2 tablespoons of honey, and a cup of fresh milk. Cover and let's blend it for high speed, and then blend it for about 1 minute in high speed. Let's shake a little bit, and then let's put it in a serving glass. Look at that. And our delicious strawberry banana milkshake is ready to drink.